Hello everyone, welcome back to the mix. I'm Katie, and today, if you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing Artis brush versus Beauty blender. I'm really excited for this because I've never used any sort of Artis brush, and I really want to know if they work and if they're better than the Beauty blender. So you're probably like, what Artis brushes you're going to use and Beauty blender. So the Beauty blender I'm going to be using is the Real Technique Beauty blender. This is not actually a beauty blender. I cannot wait to. I love this. I mean, a lot of people do. So, and sorry if it's dirty. I just used it like twice. So, you know, you can do with it. Okay. So for the Artis brushes, I'm gonna be, or the Artis brush, I don't know, is this set. It is You Spicy. It's from You Spicy, and here's the thing. You can find it. I'll see if I can show it up on screen. And this has 10 brushes. See, they're so pretty, and I love them so much, even though I never used them. But I'm really excited for them. Let's get on with the video. So first, I'm going to start off with moisturizing my lips. So I'm going to use a US, which is vanilla. So for the moisturizer I'm going to be using is this clean. Before I just do, and I kind of put it where it dries. You go in with the Pora finish. I'm going to test out the Tarte Reinforce on here in Beauty blender. And this is not a full coverage foundation, so I'm going to start off with the biggest Artis brush. Weird. It's not streaky, which was one of my biggest fears. I was afraid it was. They're really amazing. I'm probably gonna use these a lot. If I don't want to go wet my beauty blender, I'll probably use it. This is that you can't really get my corner. Be using the Tarte Shifting Concealer. I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna be using the biggest one. I love these a lot. So those are the 3 ones I use. I can choose from. Oh, I have these 3 I can choose from for doing my eyebrows, which I'm really scared to do my eyebrows. I was like my face will be fine. Everything else will be fine, but my eyebrows, I'm a little scared. So kind of bring it up. But guys, don't use these for eyebrows. I think don't use them. They're not for eyebrows. So I'm just gonna basically my brow pencil out in 4. So my eyebrows, I really tried. So I'm gonna putting concealer on with a my eyebrows, and I'm so sorry about the eyeliner. It sounds like so you're gonna have to deal with it. My eyebrows are a little too bold, but whatever. Just continue. I'm gonna do my eyes, and then I'm gonna do my face. So first, I'm gonna start off with my Laura palette. I'm going to be using the flat concealer brush, and I'm going to use Cool, this one. Oh my god. To control. I was gonna put this in my crease, but I'm gonna put it over my lid. I don't think I really want to use these. I can't do it. So I'm gonna be using this, just a medium fluffy. My mascara on. I'm gonna be putting the full expression. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using this one that's broken because I don't care. For my contour, I'm gonna be using Shades and Light Kat Von D palette. What a mistake. This from the Body Shop. It's this color. It's a dusty pink. And I'm going to be using this e.l.f. small stippling brush. Last but not least, I'm going to be using my highlight. And it's my new one. It is Jeffree Star Cuts from Jeffree Star Comics. And I got Princess Cuts, which I'll see. These four. I like the 4 ones, but I feel like these maybe for like if you need like a good crease. Hard. Maybe I didn't use them right, but I like to use them. I'm gonna be using them personally for my foundation, powder, and concealer, and those are the only ones. For now, I'm still sticking to my beauty blender, but I'm going to use Artis brushes. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And it doesn't say, but this is the color. But I love them. I really liked it. I really like it. I thought I was going to be like, you know, it's not going to turn out good. But I think the brushes don't soak up as much product, which is good, so I think you should get these. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you liked it and that you agree with me. So I'll figure out the lighting situation next time, but thank you so much, and I love you all. And make sure to subscribe down below, hit the red button, and if you want to get notified when we post, you should get the bell. So Kate will post next week. So thank you.